Have you ever felt that as time goes by, your body starts giving you signs that something isn't right, but no one takes you seriously? Difficulty urinating, restless nights, a constant feeling of pressure. What if I told you there's a natural and smart way to deal with this? Right at the root of the problem? Hi, I'm John, and today I'm going to tell you everything about ProstaLite, a supplement that's been transforming the lives of men over 40 in the United States. And now it's available for you too. But first, a quick and very important warning. ProstaLite is only sold on the official website. Be cautious of links or offers outside the description of this video. The only safe place is right below, in the link in the description. ProstaLite is a natural supplement made with carefully selected ingredients and approved by the FDA, the agency that regulates supplements in the US. It was specially developed to support prostate health, reduce inflammation, and improve urinary function. Its biggest advantage is a concentrated formula that targets the real issue, swelling and pressure on the bladder. Among the most reported benefits are reduced urinary frequency, especially at night, more control and comfort when urinating, decreased sense of urgency, support for sexual health and overall well-being. All that with no side effects, because it's 100% natural. It's easy to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with water, preferably after meals. The best results appear with continuous use between 90 to 180 days. Thousands of men have already approved ProstaLite. Mark, 57, said he was able to sleep through the night again after just 2 weeks of use. James, 63, shared that he stopped worrying about finding bathrooms everywhere he went. And if you're afraid of trying something new, here's one more reason to give it a shot. ProstaLite comes with a 60-day unconditional guarantee. If you don't like the results, you can ask for a refund. That's it. No hassle. But pay attention. Stock is limited. The promotional kits of 3 and 6 bottles come with free shipping and discounts that may end at any moment. Don't wait. Your body won't. Click the link in the description now and go straight to ProstaLite's official website. Place your order with total confidence and take care of your health with those who truly understand it. Encapsulate USA. Your health on another level. Real results.